Hello everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Sivabalan from Agriculture Department and I am currently doing third year in our college. I am going to explain about IoT in agriculture. First of all, what do you mean by IoT? IoT is nothing but it is the abbreviation for Internet of Things. It is a system of interlinked objects connected over a network. It works over a internet without the help of humans. It can work itself. It is said to be Internet of Things. Next, we discussed about how IoT is used in agriculture. Some of the application of IoT in agriculture are diagnosis of diseases, variable rate of fertility, water stress, field monitoring, soil erosion. Next, IoT is used in agriculture to make it more smarter than now. Some of the applications of IoT are monitoring the crops, soils, fields and livestock using sensor-based systems. Then autonomous robots, drones and vehicles are used in smart agriculture. Greenhouses are now connected with the sensors to make it more smarter. Now, greenhouses and hydroponics are also connected with the IoT devices and it makes farmer to monitor the crops whatever the places in the world. This diagram shows the drip irrigation for crops by using the IoT devices. In this, no human help is needed. It can automatically irrigate the crops by using the IoT devices. It can work when and where the plant needs the moisture, and it can irrigate appropriately what the plant need. Next, some of the benefits of IoT in agriculture are excelled efficiency, expansion, reducing the resources. It can reduce the cleaning process, agility, and it improve the product quality. Sensors. Wide range of sensors are used in agriculture. Some of the sensors are soil sensor, humidity sensor, moisture sensor, light sensor, air sensor, temperature sensor, carbon dioxide sensor, solar energy sensor, and many sensors are also used in agriculture. These sensors collect the information from the atmosphere and plants and give it to the IoT devices. IoT devices use these sensing data and it works based on the plant needs by using actuators. Actuators. It play an important role in the smart agriculture. Actuators are nothing but it is like a transistor. It can work based on the sensing analog signals. Mostly actuators are used in switching on and off automatically without the help of humans. Role of IoT in economic growth. It can completely even change the economy of the whole country. Example, in Netherlands, it is a densely populated lowland country. It ranks second among the veg exporters in the world now. The main secret is the innovative approach of agriculture in Netherlands. Majority of Netherlands are covered by glass, vegetables and autonomous greenhouses. They harvest nearly 10 times the average yield from a traditional field. Greenhouse. Greenhouse is a method of cultivating the crops inside a house-like structure. Mostly it is made up of glass, plastics or polycarbonate materials. Mostly, manual interventions in greenhouse results in production loss, energy loss, labor costs, and the methods are less effective. As of now, greenhouses are interlinked with IoT devices and sensors, and it is more efficient than the manual interventions. Agricultural drones. Now, agriculture is one of the major industries of using drones. Drones are mostly used in enhancing various agricultural practices. Mostly, ground based drones and aerial based drones are used in agriculture, and they are used for the assessment of crop health, irrigation, monitoring the crops, spraying of the fertilizer over the crops, and planting and analysis of the field. Major benefits of using the drones are crop health imaging, and by the use of mapping, farmer easily find where the drone fly in the sky. Mostly drones are used in yield prediction, plant height measurements, chlorophyll measurement, nitrogen content measurement, and drainage mapping and weed mapping, and so on. It also collects the thermal and visual image of the crops during it fly. On a large scale, livestock monitoring is more difficult and it needs more labor costs. By the use of IoT applications, the labor costs are reduced. By the use of tags and IoT devices, the health of the cattle and location can be easily identified. Finally, I conclude my presentation by giving some information. Agritech is an organization for providing modern technologies in agriculture. It builds modern greenhouses by using solar powered IoT sensors. With these sensors, the water consumption and state can be easily monitored by SMS alerts to the farmers. By this, irrigation is automatically carried out in the greenhouses. In this, irrigation is automatically carried out in greenhouses with the help of IoT devices. In future, IoT devices are automated without the help of humans. Thank you.